Hello, Jack.
Hello, Luna.
How are you?
I am good. And you?
I am good, too. It is a nice evening.
Yes, the sky is pretty. Orange and pink.
Jack, what did you eat for dinner today?
Oh, my dinner was crazy. Very funny.
Crazy? Tell me.
Okay, my mom made pasta. Lots of pasta.
Pasta is good. I like pasta.
Yes, but I ate too much pasta. My tummy is big now. Look.
Your tummy says hello?
Yes, my tummy says, "Hello, Luna."
Funny. My dinner was funny too.
Really? Tell me, what happened?
My mom made vegetables, but not normal vegetables.
Not normal? What do you mean?
He made faces with vegetables.
Faces? Like eyes and mouth?
Yes, carrots for eyes, broccoli for hair, tomato for mouth, smile, big smile. Did the face talk? No, but I talked to the face. Hello, Mr. Vegetable.
Haha, you are funny, Luna.
My dad laughed a lot. He said, "Eat, Mr. Vegetable."
Did you eat him?
Yes, I ate the eyes first. Crunch, crunch.
Poor Mr. Vegetable.
But he was yummy, very yummy.
My pasta was yummy too, but too much. Now my tummy is like a balloon. Boing, boing.
My tummy is not big, but I ate broccoli hair. Funny.
Next time, my mom can make pasta faces.
Yes, pasta smile, pasta eyes.
Haha, we can eat funny faces together.
Good idea. Family dinner is fun.
Yes, eating with family makes me happy.
Eating with family makes me happy too.
And talking with friends is fun.
Yes, talking with you is fun, Jack. The sky is dark now.
Yes, time to go home.
Okay, see you tomorrow?
Yes, tomorrow we talk more.
About more crazy dinners.
Haha, yes.
Bye, Jack.
Bye, Luna.